Ready? Hey YouTube, this is Trey. I look good, don't I? This is my cousin, one of them, Baby. He's from Decatur, the hood, but he doesn't act like it. He acts like he's from white neighborhood. And this is Darrell. This is Justin.
Where the players are greater unless you ain't know.
He's just saying that. You live in Gwinnett. I live in DeKalb. Yep, this Justin. No, I live in DeKalb. You can ask my mom.
No, you live in.
Just me and all the crew. Hey, say hey, Justin. Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up to YouTube?
Say no. What? This is my cousin Darrell right here. I'll go show y'all the biggest one out of everybody in the house, Tyler. He's crazy. He's like a monster. Tyler, I know you here. Come on, Tyler. Tyler. Oh man, he's not here. I guess we got to look for him. Tyler's the monster. He's a killer. He tried to kill. He got so mad one time. He got so mad. Perfect. He's eating. Hey Tyler. Hey, what's up to YouTube, Tyler? I see you got an iPhone.
Because I thought they were married, and I knew she was going to be around here is the reason why.
Yep. Tyler, where do we live? In DeKalb or Gwinnett?
Gwinnett.
I got hiccups. I'm sorry, YouTube. I got hiccups. So, hold the camera face. I'm showing you one. I just it wasn't even facing. Hey, look, no, show the YouTube me, okay? Just look through the camera while I write. You can see me good?
Yeah.
Show me do these push-ups. Show me. Him. I play at South Gwinnett. Parkview. He played Parkview. He played Charlotte. He played at Gresham. Yeah, YouTube. This is how we do it around here.
Hey. Go.
Yep.
Brand new A in the little city. You said that you come to you know that it's running. I want to eat the camera. No, we live.
Where you go? I guess he's camera shy.
Right here.
Tyler, hey Tyler. Yeah, he's very funny when he's like, but for now he's actually shy right now. Sometimes he whoop us just because we're alive.
You alive? Go get my belt. Go get my belt. Stop playing. Go get my belt.
He has a Gucci belt. I'll go show y'all YouTubers. He has a Gucci belt. See, look, he's crazy. Look, he's crazy. YouTubers, please subscribe. The craziest guy in the world. He's crazy. Come on, Justin. Come on. T.I. Tiny Bot, come on. My favorite show. T.I., if you look at... But this is Love and Hip Hop. The crazy show. Full of drama. They do it just to be paid. Look at his hair. Looking crazy. Gotta die. So YouTube, it's Trey, and peace out. Big say. Don't talk to the boss.